It's a yacht here in Gig Harbor. It's in a pretty tight predicament. It's not looking so good for them. I definitely would consider it a pretty shitty day for them. Yep. This guy's telling me stop. He's smiling at me. And yep, this boat here is stuck in the ledge over there. Audience here. Gig Harbor, Washington. I like to always pull the smart moves here. It's definitely stuck. Directing some traffic. Of course, I get to be the chosen one. He's in a type.
A picture of the boat, not the blonde walking across.
Oh, I got that too. It's actually on video. He looks like he's in a good predicament.
Like what?
Pretty good predicament.
Yeah. They're not making any headway.
Definitely an oversized load.